Honda with the single-sided swing arm was done in 1990.
Yep.
Ducati, you need to learn from Honda how to do a single-sided swing arm.
Yeah, it's actually it's a very good size.
That's a GT647 Honda Hawk. You know, I'm here with the owner of 8 Honda bikes. Single-sided swing arm in this bike. Looks amazing. Ducati just gave up the single-sided swing arm. Honda still hasn't.
For being 35 years old, they took care of it. It's a nice bike.
It's a twin cylinder.
Yep. V-twin, 58 horsepower. Hey, on a 400-pound bike.
That's a Ducati, the classic V4 SP with a single-sided swing arm, dry clutch. That's one of the few Ducatis now with a single-sided swing arm since Ducati gave up the iconic single-sided swing arm.
Hot filters on it. You rejet the carburetor and you put a different exhaust on it, and it picks up about